Hey guys, welcome back to Missy and Skylar. So a couple of days ago was my birthday. I turned 9. So today I'm going to show you my favorite fidgets and my least favorite fidgets in categories of what type of fidgets they are. So let's get started. So my first obsession is dimples. So I went on a shopping spree for my birthday. I got a lot of dimples. This one I've had for a while. This Among Us dimple. Yeah. Dimples are my favorite type of fidgets because I just like the sound that they make. And I like how they're big. I just love fidgets. I love dimples. And then I also have this dimple. You can't really spin it. You have to spin it on the floor. And it's really cute. I love the pattern of it. I also got this at Books Million. I consider this a dimple. I don't know if you do, but since it's plastic, it's basically a dimple because they're just mini versions of a dimple. It's a dimple just with smaller little bubbles. So yes, I consider it a dimple. Comment down below if you consider it a dimple. I also have this camo fidget spinner dimple. I love the flower shape. Love this one so much. And then I got one of my dream fidgets at my shopping spree, a dimple digit. I got this from Books Million. I love how dimple digits are like flowers, and they're like wheels of very pretty things. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get this so I can hold all of it. Dimples are definitely my favorite fidget. I have 5 dimples. Like dimples, I will buy in a heartbeat. Okay, my second favorite are... Trying to get these out. I have a couple of them. I have one more, but somewhere it's a unicorn mini poppet. Okay. It's Poppet. So I have this octopus one. I have this owl one. I have this color changing one. This pink one. This rainbow one. This Poppet bracelet. And this Poppet game board. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 Poppets. Poppets are my second favorite. I don't play with them all the time because I just think they kind of get boring after a little bit. I rather play with dimples. But I mean, Poppets are really good. So if I seen a very rare shape, I would probably buy it. Okay, my third favorite. My mom hates, but I love pop tubes. So I have one mini one and one medium size. Really good. Love it. Those are my third favorite. Now I'm going to show you my fourth favorite. Fixing to say third. Okay. I don't know where my other ones, but I think I have 3, but I have a color changing needle. And this one I cut the mesh off of. So, these are my second favorite, but my fourth favorite because these can pop very easily, and I just wouldn't prefer these at different places besides your house. Okay, well, yeah. So that's basically all, but those are all my favorite fidgets. So make sure you like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell so every time I post a new video, y'all can watch it. Bye, guys.